Alright, let's learn about pants. So at its core, pants are two rectangles that get sewn up, and it's one tube for each leg. That's why it's called pants plural, because you have one pant, two pants for both legs. We're going to focus on one leg at a time. Next up, we're going to divide that one leg into a front and a back, and we'll focus on one at a time. So the thing is, you got two thighs, and those thighs go into that one hip/waist/butt area, and that one hip/waist/butt area is smaller than the two thigh areas combined, so we got to make that waist area a little bit smaller. Now that area right there, that is where your crotch is. Your crotch hits right at that point. That line right there is the biggest part of your butt, aka your hip measurement, and your waist is a little bit smaller than your hip measurement, so we're just going to taper that in. Unless you want wide leg pants, you're also probably going to taper this in, because just like sleeves, our legs are smaller at the bottom, at our ankles. So now this is the side of your body. This right here is at either the middle of the front of your body or the middle of the back of your body. Now that J is basically what makes room for your crotch or your butt, which means oftentimes that J in the back is a lot bigger than the J in the front, because in the back you have a butt, in the front you do not have a butt. Now the thing about butts is they take up room up and down, so you might find that the center back of your J is a lot higher than the center front, so in the back it's going to be more like that, whereas in the front it's going to be a little bit shorter. You may also have darts on your pants because you can't get enough shaping on the side seam in order to really cinch you in at the waist to actually fit you at the waist. Now, once again, butts take up a lot of room, so oftentimes the darts at the back of your pants are going to be a lot bigger than the darts at the front of your pants. And some people might not have darts at the front of their pants at all because they don't really have much shaping needed there. If you want straight leg pants, then from here, straight down, here, straight down, you're going to get straight leg or wide leg pants. If you want really skinny jeans, then you're going to have to take those in a little bit. If you want it shorter, cut off the bottom. Also, don't forget, you're going to have 4 shapes like this, okay? You're going to have one for the left, one for the right of the front of your body, and then one for the left and then one for the right of the back of your body. And that is essentially pants. Getting the exact curves of the crotch is another thing that is extremely difficult to get, as well as the exact placement of the dart in order for it to fit your body shape the best. That's another thing that is more difficult to get right. Some people have more than one dart in the back even because they got big butts. Next up, we're probably going to go over more sleeve shapes.